Have you ever wondered if you can make IPTV work with your Roku? Well, wonder no more because we've got the answer. Integrating your favorite IPTV services on Roku may seem impossible, but the truth is it's easier than you think. To start, gather your Roku device and ensure it's updated to the latest software for a seamless experience ahead. Now, head over to our recommended IPTV service provider, 2tv.store, for quality streaming and sign up to get access. Once you've registered, it's time to download a media player from Roku's channel store that supports IPTV playback. After installation, launch the media player, where you'll find an option to input your IPTV service credentials. Let's proceed. Enter your IPTV account information provided by 2tv.store to gain access. Watch as your streaming options expand dramatically. With everything set, navigate through the expansive IPTV channels now on your Roku to explore endless entertainment possibilities. You now have the power to stream your favorite IPTV channels effortlessly on Roku with the right tools and guidance. Remember, with 2tv.store as your IPTV provider, you're assured access to a plethora of channels and unbeatable content. Why settle for less when you can have both IPTV and Roku at your fingertips? Start streaming and discover what awaits.